so I can gauge it. You understand? So show me. This one will not give you. That's normal one. But like, what's the difference? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday. Happy new month. We're in the month of September. You guys, I'm so gassed. So I wanted to intro this vlog just to give you guys like a scope of what we're doing in this vlog. Let me do my skincare while we do this. Okay, this vlog is going to be about decorating my room, right? My apartment, whatever. So if you follow me for a while, you know that, hold on, let me show you guys how my creating has been in my brain. Don't ask me how or why, like priorities. Anyways, so yesterday, as you saw, I went and I got like a cutting rod. I bought nails, but I didn't show that, but I'll show you guys the nails. My neighbor has a hammer. We're about to do this ourselves, baby. Okay, so. And then I also got an extra pillow. So I also ordered this vase and this tray that I have had saved on my Instagram for such a long time from Nada Living. You guys, I paid for this. Okay, I made inquiries about it yesterday, Friday. And you know, the handler of the Instagram sent me the details and everything. Right, send me the details and everything. I paid this morning like around 6. Don't ask me why it was so early, but I just paid this morning like around 6. You guys, the dispatch rider called me to like confirm my address because he's on his way. What? And the time is like past 2. No, past 1, sorry. He called me to, I'm like, they said delivery is 24 to 48 hours after payment confirmation. I'm like, props to you guys, because what? Oh my god, you guys, he's here, the dispatch rider. Oh my god, I'm coming. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Prompt service. We love that here. Okay, I'm so excited. But let me put on something else other than this cute sexy robe, because yeah, no. She said what? I was not informed. I sent her the address. She gave me delivery fee. I'm not supposed to give you anything else, please. Whatever issue is, please confirm with her. I paid her for 50,000 naira. I don't know any other distance. I gave her the address. She gave me the delivery fee. So whatever you have to sort out, please sort it out. I gave her the address. I gave her this address. I gave her the address. And she gave me delivery fee. I did not tell her it was Ikeja. I gave her my address. Please call her. Okay guys, so I just picked up the order. Now first of all, the dispatch guy was telling me that the lady asked him to collect 500 naira from me because apparently they oh my god, You guys saw how excited I was, Abby, to get this thing, and now my spirit, and that just, oh my, okay, wait. So I gave her my address. I made the payment for the items. I gave her my address, right? She gave me delivery fee. I paid everything. The guy brings the items and he's telling me that she said he should collect 500 naira from me because the location was Ikeja, but it's not. I don't understand. That one just pissed me off at first. Like, he was kind of refusing to give me the item that she said she should collect 500 naira from me. After I paid 2,000 naira for delivery, that all of us are in this Lagos. I said, okay, maybe it's because of the item. The item is small, or the item is big, or you understand. So now, this is the item, right? This is the item. So I'm going to leave a picture on the screen so you guys can see what I purchased. Like, you guys can see the size. Now, first of all, when I looked in here, I was already underwhelmed. Okay, let me just show you guys. I was already underwhelmed because the size of how it looks on Instagram is nothing like what I'm looking at. So this is what I'm looking at here. I've not even brought anything out. Like, this is just what I'm looking at. This is the flower that came. I'll leave the stuff on the screen so you guys can see, but this is the flower, and then this is the tray. You guys, all these things looked bigger. Like, oh my god. This is the card. You guys, look at this vase. Guys, I thought this was going to be like a big vase. Look at, see the inside of, like, what is this, honestly? You guys, look at this tray. I'll put a picture of the tray on the screen. Oh my god. Okay, are these people for real? You guys, I'm so disappointed. Like, you guys, just let me call them. I'm coming. Ugh. Hey guys, so I called them, they didn't pick. Like, my first instinct was to just curse them out on Instagram because I'm really pissed. Because I was really excited. Oh, I won't let them steal my day. It's already 3 o'clock and I need to go to, I don't think I even mentioned that, but I'm on my way to Mendy Market because I want to get some other stuff from my apartment. Like I said, this vlog is going to be about getting stuff from my apartment and, you know, just like making the place look more homey. So I'm going to get stuff now. I'll see what I can find. I have a few things I want to get in mind though. Like, honestly, I just wish I used the money I used to buy this thing to go to Mendy Market because I'm really pissed. But I'm concerning myself with the fact that I know I will get good product photos with them, but like, I'm over it. I don't recommend. Anyways, so I'm about to leave now. It's almost 3 o'clock, so hopefully I should be back soon. Yeah. My lips, chapstick. I can't find my Nivea one. I love that one so much. Okay, let's go now.
Which side are you before?
I was just in front here.
Like, just stay back here. You're driving.
Okay. I thought that place would be better for you or something. Just stop anywhere you can stop. Something like this. Give me the 4. Hey, let me see that one there. That tree. Yes, let me see that one. How much is this one?
This one's $4.5.
Then what about the laundry basket? No, that one is too big. Something small, like maybe the smallest size or the same.
Huh? Yeah, what's it? The one. Yeah, I was even surprised when I saw on that bridge. What would somebody be doing on that bridge? Yes, it's on that bridge, Boho. So it was in the night. That's somebody come on that bridge. I know what.
I didn't know you knew. Next time you hear on that bridge, you give benefit of the doubt.
Hey guys! Oh my god, I'm so tired. I haven't eaten anything today besides Fanta I drank. But you guys. Okay, so my room is a huge mess because I want to do a lot of work today, like a lot. But I didn't show you guys what I got from the. Oh my god, I'm so tired. If I tell you guys what happened to me today, I wanted to vlog while it was happening, but I was scared because I was on the road. I know anyone snatched my phone from me. But yeah. Alright, so the stuff I got. Here's a little haul. So I got this Pampas grass. Everything was for like 1.5. Like guys, do you know that this thing is, I bought it for, she said 4.5 initially, but I bought it for 3.5. Can your IG vendor ever? Nah, I'm pressed. Are you joking? Oh, I'm so happy about this one because I've wanted rattan coasters for a long time and I finally have 4 of them. Then I got this placemats. These are smaller ones. I also got this bigger one. I got this basket and I got 2 of these. Another thing I got was this tray. When I tell you guys that this was one of the things I wanted to get. Then I got a laundry basket. This Playboy right here. So cute! Oh my god, are you joking? And then it has like a lid that fits perfectly. So I got it at Cane Market in Ikeja. I didn't show you guys the updates, but this is what this looks like.
Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bar.
Hey guys, so I should probably take off this dress. I know, I just want to do everything I want to get done. But anyways, you guys saw that I bought a new pillow. So let's unwrap it.
I got
So this is
2
what the
phones,
cute
one need a
looks
charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave.
Guys, so I actually changed into my good old tea. I'm about to prepare dinner. It's like past 10 at this point, but I must get these curtains up tonight because yeah, tonight. So I just want to prepare dinner. Yeah, so let's eat dinner.
It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cage.
Okay, let's try. Let's just put on one person.
I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop.
Oh my god!
niggas wanna swap.
This looks so cute!
Sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good with my mom ties, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word of June, Jazz,
Good night.
Jay. Tell 'em
Good morning, guys. I'm not showing my morning face because I'm not showing my morning face. But anyway, so I was at it all morning. Shut up.
Young, you have any idea how difficult it is?
Okay, so I got a hammer from my neighbor, and you know, yesterday, I don't know if I showed you guys, but yesterday I was using this to hit, so that wasn't working. So I got a hammer and I was actually able to get like good job done. So you can see there, I left the nails kind of like hanging out because I want to get like an inner fish line or whatever, I don't know. So I'm still not sure where I want to put it when I get it, so that's why that's out. Then, you know, this is what we have going on here as well. Wish me luck, I'm sleeping. Oh, we got this.
when I die, put my money in it.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a hit me and then spread it.
Okay, this movie is moving mad, but I finally got the curtains up. Let me put everything together so you guys can get the vision.
Focus in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. A nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out. And I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas and I'm really being modest. Cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist want a house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Hey guys, so it's like a lot later now, like it's a lot later. I showered, I cleaned up my apartment, I filmed the b-roll that you guys just watched, had breakfast. So yeah, I'm really happy. I guess I want to end up this vlog here. I really love my apartment. It finally feels like homey and cozy the way I like it. I still need to get a few more pieces, but you know, gradually. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave any questions you would have in the comment section. I'll be sure to answer them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.